If you've got multiple Google accounts, you can use Google Passkey to securely log into your Gmail account. Now, if you're not new to this, even if you have tried to set it up but got a passkey cannot be created prompt every single time, don't worry. So in this video, we're going to show you how to properly set up Google Passkey on your iPhone so you can enter your Gmail account without putting down the password. So first of all, if you've tried it over and over and every time this passkey cannot be created on the device prompt came onto your screen, that's because to set up a passkey, you must use the Google Chrome browser. You cannot do it from your Gmail app. So let's open up the Chrome browser. Now, if you're already logged in with the account, just tap on your profile once again, scroll down and go to manage your Google account. Now from this top bar, we're going to enter security. Scroll down and enter how you sign into Google. If you haven't created any passkeys till now, you're going to tap on this passkeys and security keys option. Now when prompted, for once, you're going to put down your Gmail account password to verify yourself. And there it is. Just tap on create passkey. After that, press continue. And when prompted, just put down your screen lock or Face ID, whatever is set into this device, and it'll be used as your passkey. And when you see passkey created, fantastic. Just press done. And now I'm going to just test if it really works or not. So I'm going to just log out from this current account. They've just created passkey. And then I'm going to just go ahead and log into my Gmail account once again. When prompted, press continue. And then put down your screen lock or Face ID and you'll be logged into your Gmail account without even entering your original password. Now, even if it sometimes doesn't work for some glitch or some reason, just go ahead, tap on try another way, and then select use passkey, press continue. You'll get this pop-up, press continue, and you'll be automatically redirected to your Gmail account. And that's it. That's how you can set up Google Passkey on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.